Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix premium connectivity not working on your Tesla Model 3. First, check your subscription. Open the Tesla app on your phone. Go to Upgrades, then tap Manage. Confirm that your premium connectivity plan is active. If it is expired, renew the subscription directly in the app. Without an active plan, these features will not work. Next, verify the signal strength inside the car. Look at the top right corner of the screen for the cellular bars. If you see low signal or no bars at all, you may be parked in an area with weak coverage. In that case, try moving to a different location with stronger reception. Now toggle the connection settings. On the car screen, tap the Wi-Fi icon and turn Wi-Fi off. This forces the car to switch to its built-in cellular connection. Sometimes the vehicle tries to stay connected to a weak Wi-Fi network, which causes streaming and map data to fail. After that, check for software updates. Tap Controls, then Software, and see if an update is available. Make sure your car is running the latest version. Installing updates can fix connectivity bugs. If none of these steps solve the problem, open the Tesla app and schedule a service request. In some cases, the issue may be related to a hardware component. Thanks for watching.